out of this mango as mango season is still on in Goa. So let's make some nice dessert out of this mango. So I will use 2 out of this. So Goa Mankurad mango is famous, and I'll use 2 of this and take out the bulb and do something special. So welcome again to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you all how to make mango, that is Mankurad mango Falooda. And I've taken 2 mangoes. So of 1 mango I have done this thick rus, that is a juice, thick juice, and this it's added with cinnamon and cardamom sugar, 1 teaspoon. Then I have some 1 mangoes, all chunks. Then I have this after a thin layer of mango juice only. And what I have also some save, yeah, and some faludas, that is sabja seeds. Then I'll be using some mango ice cream and some nuts. And the best part is that I have cooked this savia. This is rice savia, okay, no atta, rice savia, and I've cooked it in buttermilk because I had made paneer today. And even this sabja seeds, I have soaked it in buttermilk. So I have made use out of this, and now I will be making some milky milk. Instead of milk, I am using buttermilk, 1 cup of this, and a splash of this, and few this. I'll show you all step by step. Added a few of this chunks, then I have added little bit of this, and I will add this little bit, so maybe half cup, and grind this and splash of milk in this. And here it is all ready. So now let's make our mango falooda. For that, first goes our mango juice, which is thick. Then goes our savia. How much you want, less, more, it's up to you. Then goes our sabja. So you have to soak this for a few minutes. Then only it tastes nice. After this, we will add our splash of our, you can say it, mango shake or whatever, in this. And then we will add some savia again, if you love savia. Again this one. And our few of this in this. And last but not the least, our yummy ice cream. Is it looking so tasty? Some mangoes on top. Wow, wow, wow. Some few this Faloodas on top. And some nuts, and our mango Falooda is ready to serve. Enjoy this Falooda and do let me know how do you like it. It's little bit looking messy, but I will clear this and serve it nicely to my family. Thank you.
And here it is, lovely and tasty Goan Mankurad mango Falooda. Thank you.